Ever feel like your social life needs a jumpstart? Whether you're flying solo by choice or circumstance, today we've got 5 fun and exciting ways to bring some action and new friends into your solo life. Let's get started. First up, sport. Whether it's joining a local soccer league, hitting the gym, or participating in a yoga class, sports are a fantastic way to meet new people. Plus, it's a great excuse to show off those new workout clothes you bought but never wore. Sweating it out together creates instant camaraderie. And let's be honest, nothing bonds people faster than mutual exhaustion. Next, let's talk music. Ever thought about joining a band or an open mic night? Making music is not only a great stress reliever, but it's also a perfect way to emotionally connect with others. Even if you can't tell a G chord from a cheese board, local music groups are super welcoming. You might even find your new bestie while jamming out to your favorite tunes. Just remember, the shower is not the only place you can be a rock star. Hey, if you like this video so far, subscribe for more epic solo tips. Now, get those feet moving with some dancing. Whether it's salsa, swing, or hip-hop, dancing is an excellent way to meet new people and have a blast. Plus, who doesn't love a good dance-off? You don't need to be Fred Astaire to join in. Dance classes are filled with folks who just want to have fun. So put on those dancing shoes and groove your way to new friendships. Volunteering is next on our list. Helping others is a surefire way to feel good and meet like-minded people. From soup kitchens to animal shelters, there are tons of opportunities to give back. And who knows? You might find someone who's as passionate about saving the world as you are. And as number 1 today, self-development. Taking classes or workshops on topics you're interested in is a great way to meet new people. Whether it's a cooking class, a book club, or even a personal development seminar, you'll find folks who share your interests. And the best part? You'll be improving yourself while expanding your social circle. Win-win. And there you have it, folks. 5 life-changing activities to supercharge your social life while living solo. Remember, it's all about putting yourself out there and having fun. Stay awesome, stay social, and as always, rock your solo life.